The iPhone 17 is basically hours away. And while everyone's hyped for the phones, Apple's got this little side accessory that's stealing attention for all the wrong reasons. I'm talking about the crossbody strap. Now, when you first hear that, you probably imagine some sleek futuristic Apple design with magnets snapping in place. Something that feels clever, polished, very Apple. The leaks tell a different story. What we're actually seeing looks like a regular fabric strap with loops on the ends. And honestly, if nobody told me it was Apple, I would have thought it was just another random strap from Amazon. That's where fans are scratching their heads. Like, wait, is this the strap that's been rumored for weeks? Or is Apple keeping a fancier magnetic version for the keynote? Honestly, that sounds like something Apple would do. Release a simple version for one price, and then drop a premium version that costs double. But here's the thing. This doesn't really scream Apple-level innovation. People were expecting something new, something smart, not just a strap you could pick up anywhere. And when you look at what other brands are doing, Peak Design has this whole ecosystem of cases and mounts, Samsung's got fun accessories like their grip case, it kind of makes Apple's strap feel, well, boring. And let's not forget Apple's accessory history isn't exactly spotless. Remember those fine woven cases? They were supposed to be eco-friendly but ended up scratching, staining, and basically making people regret spending the money. If this strap follows the same path, Apple's in for another wave of, what were they thinking? The bigger problem? Most people don't even want straps. A recent poll showed about 73% of people don't use them at all. Only a tiny group said they love them, which means for this thing to succeed, Apple has to make it genuinely useful, like something that makes you stop and think, I actually need that. Personally, I get the idea. I mean, for travel, outdoor activities, or just wanting that extra layer of security against drops, a strap could be handy. But will Apple's version be good enough to convince people? That's the real question. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.